Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have an application where you might need to siphon out, remove liquid, could be a gas tank, could be any kind of container, this video is for you. So what we have here is a fluid extractor. A fluid extractor that sucks out up to 500 cc's of fluid. Now 500 cc's converted is 50 milliliters. So 50 milliliters. Very well constructed, like a hard plastic. It even comes with 2 extra O-rings because they go right here. So you get some significant suckage, for lack of a better word. And it's very well made. There's a built-in spring right here. So it kind of pushes, so when you pull it, it kind of pushes it back into place. It's like overall very well constructed. What's really cool about this is that the tip on the end here, it's a compression fitting. So this does come with 2 9-inch long tubes that connect, and they can be joined together. So you get roughly, well, about 19 inches if you include this, about 19 inches, 18, 19 inches of total length of tube if needed, especially if you need to like get way down deep in. For example, let's just say a radiator and you're really needing to go down into the bottom. You take this end of the larger diameter tube, you press it in, and then it's in there. It's in there. And just with a quick push of the blue down, you can use your thumbs, it comes right out. So push it in, it's in place, it's locked, push it right out. Pretty cool. So then, using the extension, so we will in this example, just press it in there. Another type of compression fitting. Now you have your total length in this example. So in this example, we're also going to use a radiator. So we need to pull out some fluid. So we're going to stick it in there. And it is just sucking the fluid out. We're actually right where we need to get. And the cool part is that in the process of extracting the fluid, not only can you see it because this is transparent, but the cool part is that you can also see how much liquid noted on the edge. Very, very cool and convenient. So you're not like, I think this is how much fluid I got. You actually know during the process, so you don't have to take too much out, pour it into something, measure it. You got too much, you got too little, and pull it back. So kind of hard to see, but right here are the actual levels, and it goes, and the increments are 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, so 25 milliliter increments all the way up. And then for cleaning purposes, this can all be disassembled, cleaned, and put back together. Pretty easy because this all has a screw on there. Pretty cool and easy to use. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think. Is it as easy to use? Do you like the quick disconnect and all the features that come along with it? I got to give shout outs to this company. This is very well made. It has all the right features just to make it nice and easy for the average person to use. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have. We'll talk to you soon.